Cybersecurity and Data Protection in Libraries. Introduction. With the rapid advancement of information and communication technologies, libraries have transformed from traditional repositories of books into digital information centers. Modern libraries provide access to online databases, e-resources, digital repositories, and automated systems such as OPACs. While these developments have enhanced access and efficiency, they have also introduced new risks related to cybersecurity and data protection. Cybersecurity in libraries refers to the protection of digital systems, networks, and data from unauthorized access, attacks, and damage. Data protection focuses on safeguarding users' personal information and ensuring privacy. Together, they are essential for maintaining trust, confidentiality, and the integrity of library services. Concept of cybersecurity in libraries. Cybersecurity involves the use of technologies, policies, and practices to protect digital resources and systems from cyber threats such as hacking, malware, phishing, and data breaches. Libraries today manage large amounts of digital data, including user records and membership details, borrowing history, institutional research data, subscription-based e-resources. These assets make libraries potential targets for cyber attacks. Therefore, ensuring cybersecurity is a critical responsibility of modern library management. Data protection in libraries. Data protection refers to the safeguarding of personal and institutional data against unauthorized access, misuse, or loss. Libraries must ensure that users' privacy is respected and that their information is handled securely. For example, a library should not disclose a user's borrowing history without consent. Similarly, access to digital resources should be protected through secure authentication systems. Data protection is closely linked with ethical principles such as confidentiality, privacy, and intellectual freedom. Common cyber threats in libraries. Libraries face various types of cyber threats that can compromise their systems and data. One common threat is malware, which can damage systems or steal information. Another major threat is phishing, where attackers trick users into revealing sensitive information such as passwords. Unauthorized access is also a concern, where hackers gain entry into library systems and manipulate or steal data. Ransomware attacks, where data is encrypted and held hostage for payment, have become increasingly common. For example, a university library system may be targeted by ransomware, making its digital resources inaccessible until a ransom is paid. Measures for cybersecurity and data protection. To address these threats, libraries must adopt various security measures. One important measure is the use of strong authentication systems, such as passwords, multi-factor authentication, and user access controls. These ensure that only authorized individuals can access library systems. Another key measure is regular software updates and patch management, which help protect systems from known vulnerabilities. Libraries should also use firewalls and antivirus software to prevent unauthorized access and detect malicious activities. Data encryption is essential for protecting sensitive information during storage and transmission. Backup systems should be maintained to recover data in case of loss or attack. Training and awareness programs for staff and users are also crucial. Users should be educated about phishing scams, safe browsing practices, and responsible use of digital resources. Policies and ethical considerations. Libraries must develop clear cybersecurity and data protection policies that define how data is collected, stored, and used. These policies should comply with legal frameworks and institutional guidelines. Ethically, libraries have a responsibility to protect user privacy and ensure that access to information is not compromised. Balancing security with user convenience is an important consideration. Role of librarians. Librarians play a vital role in ensuring cybersecurity and data protection. They are responsible for managing digital systems, implementing security measures, and educating users. They must stay updated with technological advancements and emerging threats to maintain secure library environments. Challenges. Despite efforts, libraries face several challenges in implementing cybersecurity. Limited budgets, lack of technical expertise, and rapid technological changes can make it difficult to maintain robust security systems. Additionally, increasing reliance on digital platforms and remote access services has expanded the risk of cyber threats. Conclusion. In conclusion, cybersecurity and data protection are essential components of modern library management. As libraries continue to embrace digital technologies, the need to safeguard systems and user data becomes increasingly important. By implementing strong security measures, developing effective policies, and promoting user awareness, libraries can protect their resources and maintain trust in their services. Ensuring cybersecurity is not only a technical necessity but also an ethical obligation in the digital age.